Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Drama Vans on TV, it's the Nedbank Cup, Stellenbosch 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1, I'm joined by Uzaza.
People, no problem mfethu. Sidlisisa amakhosi. Inyani afuna ukukhulunywa bafethu, third effect.
Yes.
iChiefs idlala pha ebaleni uShabalala uyeka amaphuzu. 3 chances. Ucoach Cedric Schazi umile uthe. Uyamkhoma ukuthi benifundisa lonto lalela mamela mfethu defending. Bafethu isihlili Stellenbosch. 1 clean.
Yes.
Yamka imali Nedbank yotshona phi ngoku isalenga lenga.
Yes.
Ayikabuko kwitime ngubani.
Yes.
Yabona. Because of nangoku sakuthi boat.
Yeah.
Sunday you go there Polokwane.
Yeah.
I will be there. Because of Abang I will be there Polokwane.
Yeah.
Polokwane sidlala Africa.
Yeah.
Siyabuya sidlala nani? Sidlala yini? Le team sidlala siyadlala next week.
Yeah, CAF.
After CAF.
Oh yeah.
During the week siyadlala.
Yes.
Siwelele
Yes.
So that's for 3 points.
Yeah.
It's no problem.
Yeah.
Bayadlala badlalile sibuyile Sundowns 2-1 yona. It's no problem.
Yes.
And laqhabuka iVilix Sundowns ubhekile.
Yeah.
Laqhabuka amatayari. Awuqhabuka emva. Sundowns mayamba qhu. Amatayari. Amatima ambona uthe Kathoso sokushaya
Yeah.
Bafethu mina na problem uChiefs ne ucoach siyamnida. Ngiyakudla mina ukudla kwami. Kodwa iChiefs alive it because for life.
Beka kophu
Kwinika yangaphandle bafethu. Ucoach uSkhazi yabona Khazi bafethu akwazi uchange squad. Ubeke uMabuwe under pressure sibeka uVilakazi under pressure sibeka Lilepo pressure. Serino ngumuntu othini Serino uyaqala umdlalo. Serino uyaqala umdlalo. Ne umqalisile ayimqalisi. Serino substitute ikehla and nayo Lilepo maba uqalile igame.
Uhleli ngaphandle.
Mara ngoku sifaka under pressure uMabuwe. Ukhipha uNdlovu. Bro umkhiphelana uNdlovu. Mabuye ngena kabomntu odominate igame. Nangu lo mfana Miguel wayanga gcina Miguel ngaphandle. Miguel ngaphandle braqa. Izoba mnandi ibhola leChiefs Miguel outside. Bawani wamanitatazela. Asine problem. Siba mnandi. Semzansi la. Isizoba mnandi Betway. Ngoku ngizokhuluma nawe FMB 28 zokutouch and after game makusele kum 3 games khala wena iSimba iChiefs kuyiportion now sesiyazi ke aba ayaqhabuka amavilo amapara adlala amavilo Sundowns mfethu uzobona uTomtala amakhelwane ngiyabonga kuPirates inika istamina Pirates ngiyabonga
uTomtala lalela ukuthi Nedbank ithini mangathathi loan nje ye 2,000 to 50,000
awufuni lutho
wakwa replay oyithandayo bangavele bathi ungababhatali
ukorile njulele sivu ukorile
bonga wini 9,000 ngolile bonga wini 7,000
akamana uligoba ngayo ugoba 99 lini
loya 7 oya silver ngabuthathi loan ye 7 down
labantu bakhupha
izokhala uChiefs
thank you Putomtala
khuluma ama 5 games bengitshila ku
kuba la kore bonge member